the CEO of Zomato, Deepinder Goyal, he had issued a job offer telling people to come apply, pay 20 lakh, but there would be no salary for a year. And surprisingly, he got 18,000 plus applicants. So, what are your thoughts on this?
We are looking at only one side that, oh my God, he's such a devil, he has so much money, but still he's asking people for 20 lakh rupees. बिल्कुल गलत बात है, मतलब ये ऐसे नहीं सोचना चाहिए. If somebody is getting an opportunity to work with him so closely, it's a bigger learning than any education can give you over your lifetime. If you read a book called Rich Dad Poor Dad, which has been the highest selling book ever in this world on personal finance, it only talks about this concept.
So, sir, tell me something. In this era of entrepreneurship and startups, we see a lot of businesses sprouting up. But at the same time, we see a lot of them failing also, right? What is the main cause of this failure and how can it be avoided?
95% of the startups fail within the first 5 years. तो इसीलिए आजकल businesses को बोला जाता है कि businesses की ना dog life है. As you know, dogs live only for anywhere between 10 to 20 years. But there are some businesses who are legacy businesses. They are going on, बहुत time से काम कर रहे हैं. तो बहुत ज़्यादा दूर जाने की ज़रूरत नहीं है, सिर्फ उनकी best practices को देखने की ज़रूरत है. अगर वो हम कर लें, तो probably we will not fail.
Biggest mistake that you made in your investment journey so far?
See, if I had to correct myself 18 years back, I would have not bought stocks directly. मैं सीधा ही म्यूचुअल फंड से चालू करता. If somebody comes to you with all these kind of schemes कि I will double your money or I will give you 2%, 3% per month or 5% per month, don't believe on that. It's not possible. हम इसके लिए कहावत भी कहते हैं. मैंने आज क्लास में भी कहा था कि जंगल में सुंदर लड़की चुड़ैल होती है.
I want to ask you कि अगर हम financially literate होना चाहते हैं, be it an entrepreneur or be it somebody studying as a student, wanting to be an entrepreneur or whatever ambition they have. If we want financial literacy, where can we seek it? कौन सा ऐसा वो platform है, you know, because there's a lot of spread of misinformation also.
Sure.
है ना, तो कहाँ जाए ये basic financial literacy के लिए?
देखिए, सबसे पहले कहाँ ना जाए वो बता देता हूँ. ठीक है, तो that becomes a bit easy.
Yeah.
Because human mind thinks in process of elimination.
Yeah.
So don't go to platforms which promise you quick money or which show off.
Okay.
तो जैसे आप वो देखो, आप साइड कर लो. दैट मीन्स वो गलत चीज बेच रहा है. नाउ वेयर शुड यू गो? देयर आर लॉट ऑफ जेन्युइन लेजिटिमेट यूट्यूब चैनल्स. देयर आर लॉट ऑफ जेन्युइन व्हाट डू यू से अथॉरिटीज एंड इंस्टीट्यूट्स व्हिच आर रनिंग प्रॉपर कोर्सेज. सेबी खुद भी कोर्सेज करता है. एनआईएसएम बहुत कोर्सेज करता है. ये इंडिविजुअल्स के लिए हो गया. बिजनेसमैन के लिए, अगर बिजनेसमैन करना चाहता है तो जैसे ईवाई हो गया, ये बहुत बड़ी कंपनीज हैं. वो फाइनेंस फॉर नॉन फाइनेंस करके उनका एक कोर्स चलता है, व्हिच इज हार्डली 10-15,000 रुपीज. एक आदमी ट्रेडमार्क लेने के लिए 20-25 हजार रुपए खर्च कर देता है. पर एक बेसिक फाइनेंस का कोर्स ले लेगा तो उसको ये जीएसटी, टीडीएस कैसे रेशियोज देखते हैं, तो बेसिकली वो समझ जाएगा. अगेन, माय रिक्वेस्ट इज नॉट फॉर एनीबॉडी टू बिकम अ चार्टर्ड अकाउंटेंट, बट टू बिकम सो equipped कि he can ask the right questions to the chartered accountant.
And also have a basic know-how of of finance.
Yes, because it's going to be a daily affair for you. आपके लिए रोज का काम होने वाला है कि आपको चेक काटना है, आपको रिसीव करना है, टीडीएस भरना है, जीएसटी भरना है. तो आप कोई भी लेजिटिमेट रिसोर्सेज जो हैं, जो अच्छी कंपनीज हैं, अच्छा आपको कोई क्रिएटर पसंद आता है, किसी की बात समझ आती है, तो आप उनके साथ जुड़ जाइए, उनके कोर्सेज देखिए, उनके वीडियोस देखिए. सो एनी विच वेज देयर इज let's say 15 years back, 20 years back, when we started doing job, there was not so much information.
Yes,
इतना easy नहीं था.
बिल्कुल.
But today I think it is the easiest to learn. आपकी will होनी चाहिए. There are a lot of platforms where you can learn.
हाँ, but I think because of so much of content is flowing out, we don't know what's right, what's wrong. There's a lot of spread of misinformation at the same time.
True.
So that is why if I'm a student and I don't want to spend money on financial literacy as of now, because I'm already spending money at other places, right? So where should I go for like a good financial literate thingy?
So देखिए, for one, your best friends would be books. तो अगर आप कुछ बुक्स खरीद लग सकते हैं. सो लाइक आई रिस्पेक्ट मिस्टर अनिल लांबा हु हैज रिटन वेरी गुड बुक्स अबाउट फाइनेंस, रोमांसिंग द बैलेंस शीट, एंड बहुत सारी उन्होंने बुक्स लिखी हैं अच्छी. सीएनबीसी जैसी क्रेडिबल सोर्स, वो अपनी खुद की बुक्स निकालते हैं, फाइनेंस फॉर नॉन फाइनेंस. उसको आप पढ़ सकते हैं. थर्ड इज देन यू हैव दीज, एज आई सेड, दीज बिग इंस्टीट्यूशंस रन देयर ओन कोर्सेज ऑन फाइनेंस फॉर नॉन फाइनेंस. You can use that. Fourth, you can see some legitimate creator. You can see that person is not showing off.
कोई licensed, कोई registered,
then less licensed है, कोई chartered accountant है, कोई सेबी है, जिसको आप समझ के बोल सकते हैं यार ये गलत चीज नहीं बोल रहा होगा. This guy is not harping about things. If somebody is promising you something which is unnatural, then he's not the right person.
So sir, अभी बड़ा एक uproar हुआ था. There was a lot of hullabaloo when the CEO of Zomato, Deepinder Goyal, he had issued a job offer, telling people to come apply, pay 20 lakh, but there would be no salary for a year. And surprisingly, he got 18,000 plus applicants and a lot of flack on social media for it. So what are your thoughts on this?
So I had officially supported this thing on my LinkedIn. when I came to know this, I said कि यार किसी ने ये पहल करी, एक entrepreneur ने, because see, we are looking at only one side that, oh my God, he's such a devil, he has so much money, but still he's asking people for 20 lakh rupees. बिल्कुल गलत बात है, मतलब ये ऐसे नहीं सोचना चाहिए. If somebody is getting an opportunity to work with him so closely, it's a bigger learning than any education can give you over your lifetime. That 1 year is your 23 years of education put together. So that is one opportunity which you are getting. Second is कि वो सिर्फ ये evaluate करना चाहता था कि क्या हमारे यहाँ मानसिकता भी है बिना पैसे के काम करने की. If you read a book called Rich Dad Poor Dad, which has been the highest selling book ever in this world on personal finance, it only talks about this concept. He took the same concept. Poor Dad says कि नहीं तेरे को नौकरी करनी होगी, अच्छा तेरे को पैसे नहीं दे रहा क्या? और Rich Dad क्या बोलता है, तेरे को बिना पैसे के काम करना होगा. So he is trying to become your rich dad. So he was just checking that उसने बाद में लिखा था सब कुछ लोगों को प्राइवेट मैसेज में लिखा था कि I am obviously not going to take 20 lakhs from anyone, but I just wanted to check that whether India is ready for such kind of thing. And I think I'm glad that 18,000 people applied for it, reached out to him. That means now there is some sanity that people understand the value of this opportunity to work in a conglomerate like Zomato, work with a very enthusiastic and enterprising entrepreneur like Mr. Dipender Goyal. I think it's a learning of a lifetime. मैंने अपनी टीम को बोला था अगर मैं आज 22 साल का था मैं अप्लाई कर देगा.
Wow, that gives a lot of clarity to us also about the entire situation.